Hi guys, here is the new Telangana map with all the new districts formed, and this is released by Telangana government today. So let's see what are the districts. First Adilabad, second one Nirmal, third one Komaram Bhim, fourth one Nizambad, fifth one Jagitial, sixth one Kamareddy, seventh one Karimnagar, eighth one Peddapalli, ninth one Jayashankar, 10th Sangareddy, 11th one Medak, 12th one Hanmakonda, 13th one Siddipet, 14th one Varangal, 15th one Kottagudem, 16th one Yadadri, 17th one Malkajgiri, 18th one Rangareddy, 19th Mahabubabad, 20 Hyderabad, 21 Khammam, 21st Khammam, 22nd Suryapet, 23rd Shamshabad, 24th Mahbubnagar, 25th Vanaparthi, 26th Nalgonda, 27 Nagar Karnool, So here are the different districts, new districts found in Telangana. Some of them are existing and some of them are new districts. So here is the new Telangana map with all the new districts found.